Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. In this video, we'll see the recipe of smooth, creamy and delicious white chocolate fudge. Without any delay, let's take a look at the recipe.
Heat a pan and add 500 ml full fat buffalo milk. It's more creamy, that's why I'm using this one. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons sugar. Now you need to keep cooking the milk and the sugar till it thickens. So you can keep the flame between medium to high. You can alternate between medium high. But the important thing is that you keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. So this looks almost done. I'm going to switch off the flame. Switch off the induction. Add a pinch of baking soda and give it a good stir. So this is done. So this is our condensed milk and I'm going to let it become warm at least. It's quite hot at this moment. And then transfer it to a bowl. In a double boiler setup, you need to bring some water to a boil and on top of that, place this bowl and add 2 cups white chocolate. And now keep mixing it till the chocolate and the condensed milk are well combined. This will take some time, so be patient with that. So this looks perfect. Now add 1.5 tablespoon butter. The butter needs to be at room temperature. You can use salted or unsalted butter. After mixing the butter well, the fudge mixture would become very nice, glossy and smooth. And you can lick it just like that. It tastes awesome. So here I've got 7-inch mold. I've lined it with butter paper. You can also use regular steel plate, anything which has some depth. Spread the mixture evenly. And now I'm adding some dried rose petals. These go really well with the fudge and taste awesome. You can buy these from Amazon. Some sliced pistachios or dry fruits of your choice and just press with spoon so that these things are settled well on the fudge. Now refrigerate till the fudge sets. So the fudge has hardened and I'm going to remove it from the mold. Now I'm cutting the fudge into 4x4 16 pieces and the way I'm pressing the knife is to just make sure that we get nice and smooth edges. We don't want rough edges. That is the reason I'm just keeping the knife and then pressing it with my palm. Our delicious creamy white chocolate fudge is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!
If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channels and check out more videos by following this link. Bye bye.